Heading down the trail to Rolley Lake Waterfalls. The temperature is surprisingly mild today, not too cold, but I might have gone a little overboard with the layers. Definitely overdressed for this one. It's a short hike, but don't let that fool you. It's going to be extremely steep as we head towards the viewing point. Let's see if this little adventure was worth the sweat. Let's hit the trail. Hey guys, welcome back. We're out here at Rolley Lake Provincial Park checking out the waterfalls, and man, I was sure deceived because you'd think that the water would flow towards the ocean, right? Well, the water's flowing away from the ocean down a hill. I thought the water would be going towards Mission or down the hill towards the Stave River or something, but yeah, we're completely deceived. We're going in the opposite direction. We're going north with this river, creek, whatever it is. I didn't even look what it was. All I know is it's Rolley Lake's Falls. It is pretty. Now we may be getting another glimpse right here. Look at that trail. I'm not going down that. No, look at that. Alright, we're gonna go find our way down the hill. Oh, I got two options now. We've got left and we've got right. I kinda want to stay near the falls in case I get a better glimpse. It's pretty steep. Oh, that's pretty. Huh. Another viewing platform. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Cave right there. Right there. Absolutely beautiful. Amazing. Why didn't I come out here last time I'm here? I can't believe I missed that. Oh well. I'm glad I came out today. Alright. Let's go see what else this trail has to offer for us. Okay, so we're gonna make our way up this trail, see if we can find anything cool. Man, I feel like I'm out of shape. Although this is a pretty gnarly climb. Yeah. Okay, we'll see you guys at the top. I don't think there's much views here. We'll see. Up and up and up we go. Back at the van, made a cup of tea. I'm gonna have a couple eggs, toast. Look at that deliciousness. And then here in a little bit, we'll probably have a little campfire. Figure we'll eat first. I'm hungry. You know what? Shout out to this bag, this cargo bag. Despite going through rain, snow, and everything else, everything is spot dry. Generator's dry, ready to go. Freaking amazing. Love this bag. I don't even know what name brand it is. Well, I'm gonna pull the generator out, pull some firewood out, and prepare myself a little fire. Works. So I may do a video on the difference between these 3 flint and steel strikers and little kits that you can actually buy. Now this one is my cousin. He owns this company. This one is my brother's boss, and he sent this out as a kit, and this is something that you buy at Canadian Tire. So I may do a whole video on just these, but I thought I'd show you guys. This is so far my favorite. My cousin's. This one could use some upgrades. I was just using this one because my brother wanted me to try it out. I do like the size of this wood, but before I get any further detail, I'm just gonna do a whole video on this one. As you can see, we've used this one quite a bit with the kids. Relax for a little bit, and then I gotta get prepared for tomorrow morning. Meet up at the boat launch, so we'll have to get ready and prepared. So pretty out here. Today's such a beautiful day. The sun glazing through the trees with the smoke in the air. It's just beautiful. And quite shocking, this place is pretty busy. I even seen a bread van over there. That's pretty cool. Not very often you see a bread van converted into an RV. That was a beautiful walk too, by the way. That hike down to Rolley Lake Falls was just right. It was just the right amount of difficulty, not too hard, but enough to get you sweating, that's for sure. Life is good. Life is definitely good. So if you guys ever wonder if it's worth getting into van life, it's not worth it. It is 100% worth it. I'm so happy that I made the change, getting into the van and just enjoying life. So here's to continuing to push forward and continuing to grow and improve my video editing skills, my camera skills. And it's not just about making money too, it's just about living life and enjoying life and sharing my, extreme passion for fishing, mountain biking, and hiking, and waterfalls, anything to do with water. It's just absolutely amazing. Well, nothing else is really going to be happening much because I'm just going to hang out by the fire. Estefan's coming over to visit for a few, and we're going to hang out by the fire. So we'll see you guys on the next episode, unless anything like crazy happens tonight. I think that's going to be the end of the video tonight, guys. Today was just a big hiking day. Now I'm just going to get prepared for tomorrow. And another good video should come out tomorrow too. Hopefully we'll get into some fish. Some big fish. Alright guys. If you guys liked what you seen, remember to hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.